For complex scenarios in collaborative design or large projects, multi-team coordination, intricate drawing management, and upstream-downstream data transfer, ZWCAD 2026 1.1 enhances external references for streamlined multidisciplinary collaboration. The new version accelerates external reference loading for drawings on network or shared paths, significantly improving efficiency for both large single reference and multiple smaller references. ZWCAD 2026 1.1 detects circular references during reference attachment with pop-up alerts, preventing nested reference errors. Enhanced binding notifications now display file access errors and repair-needed status, with error-prone drawing names highlighted for quick troubleshooting. In collaborative design, attaching, detaching, reloading, and in-place editing external references are high-frequency operations. ZWCAD 2026 1.1 optimizes these external reference editing operations. It also features one-click reload and instant preview. The Layer Properties Manager now introduces a dialog box interface, simplifying external reference layer settings and eliminating the need for complex system variables. The new eTransmit feature now supports bundling local resource files, adding them instantly via drag and drop. Enable batch purge and transmit settings to combine drawing cleanup and packaging into a single step. Automatically identifies and packages all external references, ensuring package integrity for consistent eTransmit deliverables and enhanced professionalism. Download ZWCAD now to experience it.